Are you an early adopter like me who purchased an Atari Jaguar when it first came out? Or maybe you prefer old school tech and you just like to tinker around. Whatever it may be, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from electronics. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which way is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so you want to take advantage of all of the tech you have lying around the house. Maybe you went out and purchased something when it was just released. Maybe you, like I mentioned before, you have some tech that's lying around and you wanted to maybe make some money from it. Let's go ahead and take a look at some cool ways that you can make money simply with the electronics you have in your house. Now, the first way, and one of my favorite ways, is simply creating an online course. As you can see on the screen here, I just typed in iPhone over in Udemy. Udemy is a online education platform, and you can see there are tons of these courses where people are teaching different things or different tips about iPhones, but it doesn't just have to be about iPhones. It can be any tech that you have lying around. In fact, if I type in Amazon Web Services or AWS, I have a few courses that I had created about Amazon Web Services. Now, this is more technical. This is about this is about more internet type stuff, and so, but there's a demand for everything. Now, the cool thing is you can click on categories and then take a look at all of the different opportunities out there. If you have photography lying around, you want to teach photography, you can do that. There's all sorts of stuff that you can get into. What you can do to see if there's demand, just come up here and type in whatever your interest is. Maybe we type in just Xbox and hit enter, and you're going to see people are creating a course teaching Xbox. Maybe you want to help people create a game. There's an opportunity for that. And the cool thing with this method is that the courses can be as short as an hour and a half long or as long as 10 hours long when you continue to add to it. But what you can do is you can create a course for free. You don't need to have any background, experience, or knowledge. You don't need to have a degree in the tech that you're talking about. You create the course and then you can charge anywhere between free and $100. Most courses over on Udemy sell for $9.99, and so you're probably going to make about $4 or $5 per course. But creating a course over on Udemy is passive. You create the content once, and you can make money again and again and again from it. So that's number one. Now, one of my favorite ways to make money is simply with YouTube. And within YouTube, there are a bunch of different ways that you can make money. One of the ways is simply just teaching different tips and tricks for whatever tech that you have. For example, I typed in how to underscore an iPhone. We could say how to app unlock. There's going to be thousands, if not millions of views of this type of thing. Now, you don't have to use the latest technology. You can go back and create content on technology that's 5 or 10 years old, because there's always people searching. There's always people that still have that older technology and they want assistance. But we can type in something like how to iPhone app unlock. That's not a sentence, but there are people that are searching for it. We'll come back to that because my screen apparently is locked up. But after that, another thing you can do is simply review videos. As you can see here, I typed in iPhone 13 Pro Max review, and that you'll see that there are millions of views based on just this keyword. Now, what I recommend that you do is type in the name of the tech and just go through each letter of the alphabet to see what people are looking up and searching with regard to that tech. Now, this is called keyword research. Now, when you're creating content over on YouTube, you can make money in a few different ways. You can make money with affiliate marketing. That's recommending or selling other people's products and services. The largest affiliate program out there is Amazon. You can make money by selling your own digital or physical products. Maybe you buy iPhone cases from one place and sell them somewhere else. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. Maybe you partner with different brands or different sponsorship deals. You can do brand and sponsorship deals and make money that way. That's what a lot of YouTubers do to help supplement their income. You can join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will pay you for the commercials that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. There's a number of ways that you can make money simply with YouTube. Now that the screen is finally loaded, you can see iPhone 13 Pro Max review. This top result, 6.8 million views. Now, you can actually go back and talk about some of the older tech that's out there. You can talk about less popular tech. For example, I have this charging pad here. You could create content based on this charging pad and get hundreds of thousands of views. But in reality, that's how everybody starts. They find technology that's lying around their house and they create content about it. For example, I could create content about this mouse. This Logitech mouse, which is a wireless mouse, I could just do a review and talk about the strengths and weaknesses of this mouse and get people, get viewers, get eyeballs on my YouTube videos. After doing reviews, you can also do unboxings. Unboxings are insanely popular, and the same rules apply. Once you get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you will get paid when someone watches the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, or end of your videos. For example, if we take a look here, top result, 1.6 million views. The one below it, 22,000 views, 471,000 views on a simple unboxing video. What you're going to do is you're going to unbox it, and then you're going to say, well, this mouse here is a little bit bigger than this iPhone. As you can see, it's about the same dimensions, blah, blah, blah. People are going to view this and potentially click on links if you decide to put in affiliate links. But there are a ton of ways to make money simply with your YouTube channel. Another thing that you can do is you can actually start a Facebook group. Now within that Facebook group, and I've actually brought up a few iPhone Facebook groups, they're providing tips and tricks, and you can make money selling repair kits. For example, a lot of these people are coming to these groups because they want to self-repair their iPhone. And what you can do is you can provide the latest, maybe the glass that goes with it, maybe the different accessories and tools required, and you can get paid either an affiliate commission, or if you decide to sell it yourself, you can make money that way. And one of the ways to sell products yourself is using a website like AliExpress. Now I typed in iPhone 13 Pro Max case, and you can buy these cases for as little as 1 cent and turn around and charge them $15, $20 for these cases. Now, there's a variety of ways to do it. You can do drop shipping. You can actually send these cases out yourself. Depending on the number of followers you have on your Facebook or YouTube channel, you can make a substantial amount of money. So this is another cool way. You could actually type in iPhone 13. Let's type in repair kit. Repair. Let's see. Repair. Come on. Repair tools. Just like this. And then you could attach a link to the iPhone repair tools in the description of your videos or even in your Facebook wall. Now, you can do this with affiliate marketing, or you can sell them yourself. If you look at this, you can buy it for as little as 1 penny, turn around and sell the repair tools for $5 or $6, and then also provide a tutorial on how to repair a cracked screen. I'd also put in a few disclaimers just so that people don't try and sue you in the event that it doesn't work. Another thing that you can do is actually come over and start a blog or website. Now, what I've done is I've just typed in iPhone, and as you can see, there are 99 million monthly searches. There are over 9 million keywords just on iPhone. And to show you that people are looking this up, if we click refresh here, you can see that people are looking up the iPhone 13 Pro Max review, and there are tons of blogs dedicated to simple reviews. Now again, you can dedicate your blog, you can create a blog talking about the Atari Jaguar. We'll actually take a look at that in just a second, but there are tons of opportunities for any of the electronics or tech out there. And the same rules apply as the rules that we've covered over on YouTube. You can get paid with Google AdSense, so when people come to your website, browse your blog and click on the ads, you can make money with affiliate marketing. You can sell your own digital or physical products, and you can actually have guest bloggers. Now, what guest bloggers do is they will pay you to write an article or a blog post on your website. Now, you want to make sure that the guest post or the guest blog is relevant to your blog or website so that you can actually grow your business. But that's a mutual win-win. A guest blogger is going to blog on your website in hopes of getting a backlink and getting more exposure to their blog, and you'll make money and you'll have additional content on your website. So if I just type in Atari Jaguar like this, you can see that, believe it or not, people are still talking about the Atari Jaguar. If we look at this, you can see Amazon, Atari, Looper.com. This is why the Atari Jaguar CD was a complete disaster. You can see that even though the Atari Jaguar came out probably 20 years ago at this point, 1993, and I was one of probably 300 people to buy this, it's still getting tons of views, and people are still asking questions about the Atari Jaguar. And again, you can use new tech, old tech, or you can do a combination of both. So just to review real quick, you can start by creating a course over on Udemy in literally anything. You can do YouTube and make money in 7 different ways on YouTube. In fact, if we just copy Atari Jaguar here and put this into YouTube like this, hit the space bar, you can see people are asking all sorts of questions about the Atari Jaguar. Once again, this console came out 20 years ago. The most recent video was uploaded 3 weeks ago, and it has 460,000 views from a product that is 20 years old. Okay, so just so you know, any product can work. Any electronic can work, and you can make money. After YouTube, you can start a Facebook group dedicated to an individual product or service. You can also find products and do drop shipping, or you can sell them yourself. In this example, I showed you the iPhone 13 repair tools if you wanted to help people repair their cracked screen, or you can start a blog. Now that you know 7 different ways that you can make money from your electronics, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to my free ebook on how to make money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.